Maureen started here about 3 years before I did and told me there was a job posting, and I came in. Never been in anything like this in my life. It's crazy to see, and like how the process from graphics to everything all the way to getting it to the customer and how much goes into it just for the label. That's not even the actual meat that, or or the shampoo or anything like that. A few months into being press support, I was not fully sold on the press support part of it. I did enjoy being able to challenge myself and try and get everything set up as fast as I could for all the presses, and along with that, it started getting to a point where I didn't want to just do that. So the extra time I had, I would use to learn. Ben was my trainer. It was nice that he took the time to, because not every operator that has worked here or does work here is willing with their extra time to show newer people the ins and outs of everything, especially if it's not, he didn't get anything out of it, it was just what he did. I was third shift press support on press 3, then I went to press 8 operator on second shift, then I went to second shift press 5, then I went to swing rotation, 24/7 rotation, press 5, then I went to press support first shift on press 4 when we first got it, and then I took over Greg's spot as operator on press 4 6-8 months later, and then I went first shift operator, so I went back to support for Ben when we went off 24/7 rotation, and then I went to the Gallus on third shift, and now the Gallus on first shift. And I've had my hands in plate making and plate mounting and warehouse and pretty much everything. I really like building a rapport with the press supports that I work with, especially like Jeff is probably the best press support I've ever worked with, and I don't know if that's because he's my buddy or if he became my buddy because of how we work together. That's probably my favorite part about it, is that and the self-fulfillment of when you print out good labels, as stupid as it might sound, to be able to go and see that it's like, I printed that out. It's crazy. My wife thinks I'm a nerd. It's a really good place to come and work if you have the willingness to stick with it. Don't get down because you don't get a spot right away. If you come in as press support, that doesn't guarantee you in any time frame that you're going to be an operator. But there is a ladder that you can climb up that you can turn it into a career. And so, if you even if it's past the production floor, there are front office spots that you can get via the knowledge that you have working here. So that would be my biggest thing, is a willingness to work hard and try and get better, try and learn as much as you can and actually take it in and not just come to work to come to work. It's pretty awesome. This was not the career path that maybe I had in mind or dreamt of or anything like that, but like I said earlier, the willingness to learn and get better and do more, there is a ladder that you can climb up, and it's allowed me to have a home for my family and provide for both my daughters and my wife, and it's pretty awesome.